Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So solid day on today, guys. Playing exactly how we saw it coming. We ended today at 25.26. If you go back to the previous videos, this is exactly what we said we would end off on today. On yesterday, we didn't say, oh, we is about to bleed, come back down. We crashing back down to 15, 17. We ain't none of that. We said 23 would be strong support. After coming down to 23, we should see a reversal from the demand coming in from those levels, and we should run and end the day at around $25, $26 per share, leaving off on the same exact foot that we left off on yesterday, guys. And they do, you see how they try to, it's like, I don't know, I can't even explain it, guys. For the ones that's watching and actually paying attention, and because I see some comments down below, some people still hating, like, Hayes don't know what he's talking about, or this, that, and the third. My delivery might not be all the way 100%, and it might not never be, because that's the difference between me and everybody else. I ain't trying to be perfect. I ain't trying to, none of that. I make mistakes. I scramble upon my words. I, forget things, all that. But if you get the message, if you understand what the words that's coming out of my mouth, then you understand exactly that, this guy gotta know something. Ain't no way we was dead on, and this not to brag, but I'm even shocked myself. If you notice and been following the channel for the past 3 days, and if you knew, for the past 3 days, we knew exactly what movements AMC was going to do. When we bust through 23, ran up to the high $29, $30 range, we called that. Then the next day we had called, which was yesterday, we said we would then start the decline. We will pull back to around 25, 26. That would be the floor on yesterday. And it was the floor. We came down to around 25. And then we said the following day, which is today, we will continue to decline. We will come down to 23 support, not for the whole day, just to, go ahead and bottom out to get that pullback out of the way. Then we will reverse and end the day at 25, 26. So it's just crazy how, all of it coming out. And the only reason I brought that up because, you got people in the comment hating on me or whatnot. And it's all good because haters ain't gonna do nothing but make you grow even further, guys. So we need haters. And I need some type of, I don't want everybody to be rocking with me in the comments, because if you go to anybody's page or anything in life where everybody just likes that person, like just something just ain't right. Something ain't right. I'd be looking at the person kind of weird. Like, ain't no way you just perfect. Ain't no way nobody don't like you. So it's good to have people that don't like you. It let you know that you're normal. So anyways, guys, great day overall. AMC is looking lovely. I told you guys. I know a lot of people was expecting, once it started pulling back like that, was like, man, ain't no way this thing about to reverse and go back up like that. It happened just like that. Told y'all, once we got that bottom out of the way, came back to support at 23, we was bouncing right back up. And that's exactly what's going on, guys. And the way they try to play it is to mess with your psychology, because they could have been bounced it during the day when it was having this cup and handle. When it recovered, went back up to around 25 and some change, and then it quickly dropped and came right back down like we was going to test 23 again. But we didn't. We stopped halfway right around 24, 25, just to bounce right into after hours, trading at 26.10 right now. And of course, we don't want to speak too soon and jinx ourselves. We know things could change in the black and eye, and we could come right back down. But like I told you guys, we expected to come, our worst case scenario, our lowest point was come down to support at 23. Then from there, we was about to be right back up trending, guys. And that's how these articles and all the media and what they, they don't really have no real agenda. They just going with whatever AMC is doing for that day. Whenever AMC is doing good, AMC is doing good. The rallies back in, the apes taking over. As soon as it's down for one day, down red, you'll hear the bad articles. Oh, it's over. The rally didn't last as long as it did last time. Or you hear all these different perspectives. So anyways, guys, I'm just here to let you guys know, I'm not overhyping nothing. I'm going with price action. I'm going with AMC day to day. I'm not setting no promises. No, none of that. We going with what's exactly in front of us. And that's exactly how you win the game of the stock market. You go with exactly what's in front of you, price action. Unless you invest in long term and some solid, you know, some solid long-term companies, Fortune 500 companies, then I mean, it's a long-term game. But as far as a short-term, doing what we doing, looking at, you know, what we looking at, the movement that we is in with AMC, we know we is here for the squeeze, and it's also can be a long-term play due to what they doing with their capital to turn this investment around, to turn the company around as a whole. But for right now, we know why we here. So with that being said, nobody knows how high this thing can exactly go. Nobody knows how low it can go when it's pulling back. So what I mean is, that's why we have to go exactly and strictly off of price action, because it's going to tell us every time what we need to know, guys. So AMC, like I say, if you didn't get those shares while they was at 23, better look next time, because the due day tomorrow and it's going to be some new prices. So you already know, guys, that's all I got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update, let you guys know we nailed it again today. Every day ain't gonna be like this, I know that, and I'm not here to brag, guys, not any, you know, not by any means. We've been wrong multiple times, hella times, but it's not about being right or wrong. It's all about perspective. It's all about gaining wisdom, gaining knowledge, learning from your mistakes, you know, having more gains than you have losses. You get what I'm saying, guys? Not every stock pick, not every play, not every, you know, not every move in the market is going to be a winner. But long as you have your winners override your losses over time, you isn't going to be in a win-win situation. Know how to be conservative. Know how to make 100. Know how to make 200. Know how to make 300. Know how to lose 30. Know how to lose 20. Know how to lose 40. You get where I'm going with this? This is just little gems that I throw out there for you guys so you can know how I move. Whenever I'm day trading, whenever I'm making moves in the market, I make sure my wins always override my losses. Yes, I'm going to lose. I'm ready to lose. I'm prepared to lose. That's what make me different from the first day I got in the market, or the first month, the first year. That's what made me different, is because now I get in with the mindset of I already lost. And if it go up and go with my plan, then that's good. Pat myself on the back, I made money. But what I mean by, you like, dang, you already lost. Yes, I lost, but it's a conservative loss. I'm already got, as soon as I attack a play, get into a move, I already looked at it as if I lost. And if I win, that's just okay. It did good. But what I mean by I lost is I'm already got in my head that I know where I got in at. I know I'm getting out at. Whether it go up or down, I know I'm getting out at. And if it go to the downside and I get out, I know I'm getting out at a percentage to where that small percentage loss, I could lose that 5, 6, 7 times back to back to back to back to back to back. That's how many times I can lose, because my losses were very conservative and very small. So whenever I win, because the losses, that was $30, you lost $40, you lost $50, you lost $20, you lost $50. All that added up 7 times, I lost what? $350 in 7 trades. That's if you lose back to back to back to back, the way I move. And then whenever I win one time, out of losing 7 times, I win one time, that's going to cover that whole $350 I lost and some, and give me some profit. So, you know, if it don't make sense now, it'll make sense later on. So like I told you guys, I like to put things like that in my video. So while you're doing this AMC movement, you know, you can also have gems and things that take with you to carry you on to the next endeavors, the next moves that you want to make in the market. So you already know, guys, that's all I got for this video. Like I told you guys, today was a solid day. It played out exactly how we said it would. So you already know, man, don't get used to that. Don't try to be doing options or none of that off my calls, because like I said, I can be wrong, but I'm just here sharing with you guys every day whatever comes to my mind, whatever my opinion is on whatever asset or security that I choose to talk about. So you already know what to do, though. We gone, man. Add me on Instagram. Add me over there at the B Hayes Show. Do all that good stuff. I love y'all. God bless y'all. And we gone.